Hey, in this video, I show you how to solve all problems in the practice quiz. Okay, so the first problem is y prime. Find y prime for the following function. First, y equal to x cubed cosine of x. We have product of two functions. So in order to find derivative of this, we need to use the product rule. I write the product rule. Y f of with g, right? Derivative. I write fg and then fg. Since this is product, I write plus in here, and then I move this symbol right along f and along g. Okay, so with f in this case x cubed, then x cubed derivative is 3x squared multiplied by g f cosine of x, right? Plus f x cubed times g prime. Derivative of cosine is negative side. So I keep writing parentheses. Don't forget about that. Otherwise, you get wrong. Okay. So that is the first question. Second question is y equal to x minus 5. So we have quotient. We need to use the quotient rule. Let me remind you about the quotient rule. I have f over g, derivative. Again, right? I write fg. But here we have minus because we have quotient, right? And then I have derivative of f in here, and then here is g derivative. And don't forget about g squared here. So using this quotient rule, the derivative of this function is f derivative is 1, right? So 1 times x minus 5. Minus 5 times 1 here. Minus x minus 5 derivative is 1 times x. Everything divided by x minus 5 squared. So I have x minus x 0, 1 with negative 5 is negative 5. So I have negative 5 over x minus 5 and squared. I'm done with the first two questions. Right? So the next two questions is, next question we work with tangent lines. We have two problems with tangent lines. The first problem, find the equation of the tangent line at some point. And the second problem is find Rx where the tangent line is horizontal, right? So let's say your function is fx equal to 2 minus 2 over 3x. And you need to find the tangent line at x equal to 1 over 2, right? Tangent line problem I write here. Tangent line problems. So first step you need to do is to find the slope, right? But how to find the slope? You need to take derivative because the slope is the derivative at 1 over 2. So that is derivative when x equal to 1 over 2, right? Let's take derivative of this. f prime equal to derivative is 0, negative 2/3 over x. So I will convert this into power function. I have negative 2/3 and then x to negative 1, right? And then I take derivative of this function. You see? Negative 2/3 is coefficient. We can print it out. We have negative 2/3, and then for x to negative 1, we use the power rule. I'll print the power down, right? Negative 1, and then I reduce the power by 1. I have negative 1 minus 1. So finally, I get negative with minus. Negative with negative would be plus, so I have 2/3, then x to negative 2. Now you plug 1/2 into this derivative, you get that is 2/3 times 1 over 2, negative 2, or this negative, so you would get a over 3. You get a over 3. Okay, and the second, you need to find the point, the y coordinate of x equal to 1 over 2. So the y coordinate is f of 1 over 2. You need to plug 1 over 2 into the original function. Then you get 2 minus 2 over 3, 1 over 2, which is, here is 2. You flip 1 over 2, you get 4 over 3, right? 4 over 3, and that is 2 over 3. So now you are ready to write the equation. Y equal to the slope, 8 over 3, x minus 1 over 2, minus plus 2 over 3. And then you can simplify that, you have to find the answer. So let's simplify that. Here you have a over 3x, right? And then a over 3 times negative 1/3. So a with 2 will be cancelled out, so I can simplify 2. And 4 over 3 minus 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3. And then that is a over 3x. Here, negative 2, so I have negative 2 over 3. That is the answer. Okay, next question. Find x such that the tangent line is horizontal. Tangent line is horizontal. Your function is y equal to x cubed plus 6x. Okay, so tangent line is horizontal means the derivative is equal to 0. The slope is equal to 0. That means you have to take the derivative of this function and then set it equal to 0, and you solve for the x. So y prime is 3x squared plus 6, and then you set it equal to 0, and you solve for the x, you get x squared equal to negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. In this case, the equation does not have any solution. And how to write the answer? That means there is no x where the tangent line is horizontal. Means the graph of this function does not have any horizontal tangent line. Especially put this function, because in my experience, when I ask students to find something, they intend to find some x. And then when they got this, they take square root, right? They apply square root to both sides. They get x equal to plus minus square root of negative 2. But in this course, we work only with real numbers. We don't work with complex numbers. So this equation does not have any real solutions, right? So the answer is no x. But that is still an answer. No solution is an answer. Don't forget about it. So I think that is all about the practice quiz. If you have any questions, just feel free to approach me. Okay.